Time management.
Yeah,
right?
time management is very, very
And then you do.
I think it's definitely not easy. Yeah, because you have to prioritize what are the important stuff you have to do every day. Yeah, because everyone have 24 hours in a day. Yeah, so you have to prioritize which one you have to focus on and what are the top priorities for the day itself. I think, for example, if a few days time I'm having exams, I have to focus on my studies. Yeah. Whereas now, let's say for example, I'm having holidays.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll be focusing more on my work itself. Yeah.
Okay.
So I mean, a daily calendar is very important, which I set my priorities right for the day.
Yeah, time management.
Yeah,
right?
time management is very, very.
And then you prioritize what are some of the important tasks that needs to be done as early as possible. And on top of that, we really have to thank you as well. You're also taking on the role as a trainer here. So Jeremy is also one of our trainers at Public Speaking Academy, and that's on top of all the things that you're doing, being a trainer as well. And for example, going out, meeting friends, interacting, keeping in touch, all the things that you're doing, and you can still find time perhaps for yourself, I hope. Yeah, on your own, what do you do to like relax and unwind?
Of course, to relax and unwind, usually I would just go for a run. Yeah, I think that's the best because you get to see the scenery and just get a mind off of work and your studies. Or just lucky on the earpiece, right? Listen to your top hits that you love, right? Just to keep the running indicators on. I think it's fantastic. I love that a lot to unwind myself. And when I reach home, usually I will just on a very good fragrance. Yeah, so aromatherapy. So I use that to relax myself.
Okay.
Of course, with very hot in Singapore, right?
Yeah.
So I just on an aircon to relax and unwind for a day. Yeah, so that's my perfect this thing.
Oh, that's great as well. Because for me, I also find time to unwind a little bit, either by way of like maybe doing self-meditation, going for a run, maybe hitting the gym, putting on some nice music, nice fragrance, essential oil, and that's very good to help relax ourselves and then to unwind.